wanna come on too strong, yeah. I'm always worried I'll stay too long, but what's on your mind tonight? I love it when we can laugh together. That kind of thing, it just makes me feel better. I'm gonna give this just one try. Oh, what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake? Will my heart break? Or will you love when I say? What if I told you you took my breath away? I'm thinking maybe I'll take you out so we can get a little closer now. Let's hear what's on your mind. 'Cause all this time I've been wondering, are you feeling what I'm feeling? Or should I just let this slide? Yeah, what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake? Will my heart break? Or will you love when I say? What if I told you you took? I wouldn't change a thing. I wouldn't change a thing. I wouldn't change a thing.
Even on the worst days, even on the best ones, I will fight for you. Even in the heartbreak, even when we win, I'll be loving you over and over again. You'll be mine over and over again. I'll choose you every time. We will be lovers, fighters through every dream. We'll be hand in hand, babe. I wouldn't change a thing.